Hey everyone, Patrick here with Siser North America, and today we're diving into the expansive world of mixed media. That's right, we're talking DTF plus HTV and how you can combine them to take your designs to a whole new level. Now, if you're new to DTF or HTV, let's take a second to learn the basics. DTF, or direct-to-film, is perfect for full-color, photorealistic prints. You simply press it, peel the carrier, and boom, you've got a vibrant, detailed graphic on your garment. Now, HTV, or heat transfer vinyl, on the other hand, gives you that premium textured look. And with products like our Siser Easy Puff, glitter, and even holographic, you can really add some pop and dimension to any design. Now here we have a standard DTF design which looks great on its own, but watch what happens when we mix in a little HTV magic. So now that we've shown you what your next project can look like, it's time to take you through the process step by step. Now for this design, we are going to use a DTF print that has our puff elements removed from the print itself. Step 1, line up your DTF print and Easy Puff metallic cut file. Next, remove your DTF print now that we know where our entire design will be placed. Now before you apply your Easy Puff metallic layer, make sure that you follow the recommended time and temperature settings, which can be found by headed to CiserNA.com or by using our mobile app. Step 2, let your puff layer cool for around 5 to 8 seconds, peel the carrier warm, then position your DTF transfer. Now pro tip, it is always recommended to use a cover sheet to protect your heat press and prints. Step 3, press your Easy Transfer DTF print for 10 seconds with the same heat settings you did for your Easy Puff metallic layer, then peel your carrier hot. And there you have it, a stunning full color design with custom vinyl details that give it that pro level look and feel. Now whether you're running a shop or just getting started, mixed media is a great way to elevate your next design. Whether you're using glitter puff, brick 600, or electric to get those high fashion finishes, the world of garment decorating just got a little bit bigger using DTF and your favorite heat transfer material. So if you've been stuck choosing between DTF and HTV, why not use both? With a little creativity and the right tools, you can unlock a whole new level of design potential. And if you want to know where you can find everything used in this video, make sure that you follow Siser on all platforms and send us an email to info@CiserNA.com. And while you're here, why don't you go ahead and comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel so you can always stay up to date on all things Siser. And until next time, bye everyone.